'Tis the season of giving, and so that you have enough time to put together that list, I've rounded up my favorite Black Friday deals. From smart home to travel essentials and everything in between, I've got you covered. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the places I go, the things that bring me joy, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you're looking for techie gift ideas for that special someone in your life this holiday season, give the channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. These are our top Black Friday deals of 2025. Robot vacuums are supposed to make life easier, but for most people, there's always obstacles that stop them in their tracks. A door sill, a low couch, a rug too thick to cross, but not this one. This is the Dreame X50 Ultra, one of Time's best inventions of 2025, and the most advanced robot vacuum I've ever tested. And this Black Friday, up to 50% off. The X50 Ultra thinks and adapts. With its VersaLift design, it can retract its time-of-flight sensor when it detects low furniture, and the front cameras get to work. Lights turn on so it can still navigate your space and clean effectively. Pair that with 360-degree smart mapping and it'll learn every corner of your home. That way, you don't have to babysit while it cleans. And when it encounters small thresholds, its retractable legs lift the whole vacuum up, letting it glide over obstacles as tall as 2.36 inches. There are two ways it does this. Hurdle-style obstacle crossing is recommended if the robot is going over sliding door tracks. Here, one leg goes first, followed by the other. While synchronized obstacle crossing is great for door sills and steps. Both legs will go over at the same time. Under the hood, it's also an absolute powerhouse. With 20,000 pascals of Vormax suction, the X50 Ultra deep cleans both wet and dry messes. It also features two brushes spinning in opposite directions to help lift dirt. These brushes and the extending mop make sure no spot in your home is missed, which is especially important if you're still stuck doing the dirty work yourself. That's where the Dreame's all-in-one power dock comes in. Once cleaning is done, the X50 Ultra automatically returns home to empty its own dustbin, wash and dry its own mop pad. It also refills clean water and solution, and even separates the dirty water, keeping cleaning hands-free. And your vacuum ready for the next run. And because it's designed to last, the X50 Ultra comes with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. That means you're getting flagship performance and peace of mind that lasts. It's easy to see why it's made Time's list of best inventions of the year. It's powerful, smart, and truly hands-free. Exactly what a robot vacuum should be in 2025. If you've been waiting to upgrade your cleaning game, now is the time to do so. You'll get the Dreame X50 Ultra at its best price you'll see all year. Use my link in the description box below to get 50% off plus that 5-year warranty. Ever feel like you drink enough water but actually don't? You're not alone. In fact, some studies show that up to 75% of Americans are dehydrated. Maybe it's because the tap water doesn't always taste great, or because we worry about what's actually in it. And while 1 million plastic bottles end up in landfills every minute, what if one bottle could fix all of that? Meet the LARQ PureVis 2, your smarter, cleaner way to stay hydrated on the go. Through the LARQ app, you can set daily hydration goals, track your progress in real time, and get friendly reminders. It can even sync with Apple Health. And when it comes to what's inside your water, the PureVis 2 makes it cleaner and better tasting with dual-stage purification. The built-in UVC light eliminates most contaminants by automatically activating every 2 hours. And the Nano Zero filter removes pollutants. It's thoughtfully designed too. Your water stays cold for 24 hours, fits ice cubes easily, and comes with a detachable and replaceable handle. Apart from seeing your hydration streak on the app, you'll also see your positive impact, from your reduced carbon footprint to plastic bottles saved. The PureVis 2 comes in 2 sizes and it starts at $119, but this Black Friday you can get up to 30% off. Just use my link at bylark.com/gadgetmatch. I'll make sure to put a link in the description box below. When it comes to immersive entertainment, Govee is the leader in TV backlighting. The TV Backlight 2 was the pioneer in this space by extending the colors on your screen onto your walls. Every scene feels bigger and more real. These lights also reduce eye strain, especially when you're watching late at night. And the scene switches from something dark to bright constantly. The secret lies in Govee's patented dual camera color matching. The T2 setup captures colors more accurately, especially at the edges, so your lighting stays perfectly in sync with what's on your screen. Because it uses cameras, the T2 works with any content, movies, TV series, and games. It also features enhanced RGB IC lighting with 60 LEDs per meter for smoother, richer color transitions and brighter, more natural light across your wall. If you don't want a camera on top of your TV but still want that sync lighting and you own a streaming box like the Apple TV, the Govee SyncBox AI Kit 2 is also a good option. It supports HDMI 2.1 for smoother, more immersive, and responsive gameplay. They are both on sale, and some of my top picks for gifting this holiday. You can get the Govee TV Backlight T2 at just under $75, nearly half of its original price, and the Govee SyncBox AI Kit 2 is just under $90. I'll put a link to both products in the description box below. I always say this, if you're looking to buy a new TV, Black Friday is the best time to do so. My favorite is the frame from Samsung because of how it blends in with the decor. Part of it is thanks to the custom frames you can install around it. Mount it on a wall, turn on art mode, and it works like a work of art. The newer models have non-reflective matte glass. I have the 65-inch model, which is a great size and is $600 off. If you want the bigger sizes, go for the Frame Pro. The 75-inch model is $1,200 off, and the 85-inch model is $1,000 off. Want a bright, portable projector that delivers home theater quality? The C2 lineup from Hisense has some of the biggest discounts of the year. All 3 models share the same sleek, portable design with a 360-degree gimbal stand, triple laser technology, which means the light source uses 3 separate lasers, red, green, and blue, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 support. Projection size of up to 300 inches, Vita Smart OS TV with your favorite streaming apps, autofocus and keystone correction, and up to 25,000 hours of viewing, which means any of these projectors will last you a really long time. The C2 is the most affordable of the lineup, but still has everything you need to create a 4K theater anywhere you take it. It's sufficiently bright with 2000 ANSI lumens and features digital zoom so you can scale the image to fit your space. This Black Friday, it's $1,000 off. Then there's the C2 Pro. This one steps things up with 2600 ANSI lumens and optical zoom. It's great for movie nights and watching sports with friends. This one is on sale at $1,700. And finally, the C2 Ultra, the brightest and most premium of the 3. This is the model that holds up even in well-lit rooms and even outdoors. With Xbox certification, ultra-low input lag, and refresh rates up to 240 Hz. Gaming also feels buttery smooth and immersive. It drops to $1,900, one of the best deals you can get on a high-end portable projector. I'll make sure to put all the links in the description box below. If you're looking for a new Mac, I have 2 great options for you this Black Friday. If you're looking for a laptop, I highly recommend the MacBook Air powered by M4. Currently on sale at just under $750, there's no laptop quite like it, as it balances power, portability, and price. And while it's thinner and lighter than the MacBook Pro, you still get good battery life thanks to the efficiencies of M4. The neural engine in M4 makes it well suited for AI features that will continue to roll out over the next few years also. This model also gets center stage, a feature available on many other Apple devices. It keeps you in the center of a frame and follows you around during video calls, and enables desk view. I've always loved the MacBook Air, and this year, it's quite close to perfect, especially with this gorgeous sky blue color. If you're in the market for a new Mac for your home or office, the Mac Mini doesn't just offer great value, it also gives you freedom. Freedom to choose the kind of display, keyboard, and mouse, especially if you already have a set that you can use. It's also now more portable compared to previous models. Fits just in the palm of your hand, so you can easily travel with it. It's the cheapest Mac you can get, and is currently over $100 off. This year, Samsung finally made a super slim foldable that also opens up to an 8-inch tablet. It's got an excellent main camera, superb battery life, and is backed up by a close partnership with Google. If you're in the market for a foldable phone, Samsung's got an amazing Black Friday deal for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. You get up to $1,000 off in enhanced trade-in credit, or $600 with no trade-in until the end of the year. If a foldable isn't your cup of tea, but want the best smartphone Samsung has on offer, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the one to get. If you have an S23 or S24 Ultra, you might be able to take advantage of the $700 trade-in credit. These are the best deals you can get on Samsung flagships. These are even cheaper than what Amazon offers, so make sure to use my links to get the best deal. If you have multiple Apple devices, this charging cable from Nomad is worth checking out. The universal cable for Apple Watch has got a fast Apple Watch charger built in, and on both ends are USB-C that support 100-watt power delivery, meaning it can fast charge my iPhone, MacBook, or iPad, all while charging my Apple Watch. Like all Nomad cables, this one is engineered with Kevlar, so it's more durable. This Black Friday, it's down to $65 a pop, and if you peruse Nomad's website, you'll get up to 75% off on other products. I'll put a list of some other favorites down below. Ever been stuck with a flat tire? This thing is a lifesaver. The STATIK TireHero wireless air pump can inflate tires, motorcycles, bikes, even the balls you use for sports. Just charge it at home, keep it in your car or bag, and you're covered anytime, anywhere. Now, even if your tires aren't flat, keeping your car tires properly inflated can actually save you money on gas and prevent long-term damage. It's $69 a pop, but if you use my code GM20, you can get 20% off your purchase. For the rest of the products, STATIK is also offering up to 80% on their website. Make sure to use my code and the link down below. For extra storage on the go, our go-to at GadgetMatch over the last few years has been this one from Samsung. I like the T7 Shield not just for how small and fast it is, but it's got this rugged, rubbery texture for extra protection. And not that you should get it wet, but it's also water resistant, in case you spill water or coffee while working. I have them in 3 colors, beige, blue, and black. Yep, that's how much we love it. And this Black Friday, you can get up to $115 off on the 4TB model. Make sure to use my links to get the best deal possible. If you're eyeing a Kindle deal this holiday season, Amazon's refurbished Kindle Paperwhite is just a little over $100. While it isn't brand new, it still works just like one. What's great is apart from being eco-friendly, these like-new devices actually go through extra quality checks so that they don't come back a second time. But for that extra peace of mind, it still comes with the same warranty as a new device. The Paperwhite is the fastest Kindle, has a higher contrast ratio, and 25% faster page turns. Its screen is glare-free, and it's waterproof, so you can escape into your books no matter where you are, whether it's by the beach or in the bath. If you love reading, this is a deal worth checking out. I'll drop a link in the description box below. The last item on my list is technically not on sale, but I wholeheartedly recommend and is worth checking out. Matte Black is my buddy David the Unlocker's first self-roasted coffee from his cafe here in Brooklyn. It's medium roast and is intended to be brewed as any filter type coffee, so it works best as drip or pour over. Each bag is $22, tax included. I'll put a link down below, or if you're in Greenpoint, make sure to visit Coffee Check. And those were my top tech shopping recommendations for 2025. Very soon, I'll also be putting together a list of my favorites from fashion to tech and everything in between. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post that video and many more like it. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun, travel, and fashion. And for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.